Hi there, and welcome to the weekly market update. This is Reynaldo Soriano speaking from Enlightened Super Trade Education. We're gonna look at the Dow Jones Industrial 30 and see where it's gonna head pretty much for this week. But just a brief announcement: April 24, the workshop or the webinar, the free webinar, will be a simple strategy on how to face your inner fears. So especially like say last week when the market had a short-term correction. So what are you gonna do when another situation will happen like that? What will you do once there's another situation like say 2008? Or what will you do if the market keeps dropping? So what will you do from there? So sometimes if you have issues about pressing the trigger, or maybe perhaps you're giving some profits away, or some issues in entering or exiting based on fear, then this workshop will be for you. So it will be for all types of traders from beginners all the way to advanced. Okay, so April 24, a simple strategy on how to face your inner fears. Another announcement is that basically last week and for the last few weeks we've been hitting not pretty much, good stuff into the trade alerts. So like say one member Siram had more than 98 pips just from the alerts alone. So last week captured another close about 1,000 pips on average. And this week we're excited and see what another week can give us. So yeah, check us out. All pretty much all details, and you just go through the pricing on the website, and the trade alert is $49.95 a month. If you can make basically from 49, you can make $1,000 from it. Then I mean it's possible. One member who I'll be interviewing from 4,800 and made it to 10,400 pretty much, right? So and it's exciting, and it's fun when, and also it's good to hear when people actually make money from pretty much what you're doing or what I'm doing. Okay, so nevertheless, let's go through, look at the Dow Jones Industrial 30, looking at the broader market perspective. I know the monthly is not there yet, but once it gets closer to the end of the month, I will go through and have a look on the monthly chart. But for now, based on the weekly chart, it is part of the primary, secondary, and tertiary uptrend. 14.5 is a really good level of demand, as you can see here, around 14, actually even below the 14.5, around that level. 14.395, 14.458, good areas of demand. However, it broke through the tertiary uptrend right here. Nice. Well, the bears were currently in control. The bears engulfing pretty much from last week to the previous week. My perspective is that from a higher high, it's going to create a higher low. Up to where? I'm still going to stick to my guns around the 14,000 mark for the Dow. So another pretty much 500 points from there. Can they drop it all the way down there? Absolutely. With the caveat that once it breaks through this demand level about 14.395, 14.58, 14.55, 14.455, and it breaks through this, then easy. The market can go all the way pretty much on around this area. So you can see through here, higher high, minor correction, higher low. As long as it doesn't want to go below that low, then it's still a continuation pretty much of the uptrend. But in an overall perspective, I mean, it can easily go this way, and it probably even perhaps all the way down to 13,750. Alright, so once again, longer term, I'm bullish. Medium term, I'm bearish. Shorter term, need to test around that area in order to break that. So if we go through on the daily chart, so from this point, from higher high, currently forming higher low, the next one will be a pretty much a lower low perspective, lower high, and then create new lower lows, breaking out in 43.95. You can see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low from that point. Okay, and then even go through on a short term, and I can have between 2 points from this level. And there's also one here, shorter term. Ooh, interesting. Okay, so if it breaks through this tomorrow, then easy, come back to 14.7. But if it doesn't want to, depending on what the reports are going to happen tomorrow, there's quite a few reports actually tomorrow. It's also going to fail if the reports are not going to be as good or pessimism in the marketplace, then this is going to drop all the way down to 14.4, back to 14.4, and then hold the way down there. But if it doesn't want to, clear breakout, still around this level, around that point. Alright, so medium term, bearish, shorter term with a breakout, it's like correction to create a lower high before a new lower low. Alright, that's my report pretty much for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot for listening. Take care until next time. Happy trading, and hopefully I'll see you in one of the classes pretty soon. Take care and have a good one. Bye.